When I was coming to the end of my time as homeschool community liaison coordinator, I had this itch that I would have always liked to do something to address the whole area of emotional literacy and mental health. It's an important issue in the country. It's an important issue, I think, for human beings, that we're able to talk about how we feel. But a lot of the time we don't. I think the sooner we start, the sooner we learn how to do that, and the sooner we normalise it, that we should always talk about how we feel in our families and among our friends, that as soon as that conversation begins and as soon as we realise that that conversation really counts, the better. So we started to put together some ideas about how do you get the conversation going, how do you make that conversation normal, how do you make the conversation as normal as changing your uniform when you come home from school. So we came up with this small little device that you stick on the fridge, and when you come home every day, the guardian or the parent asks the child, how are you feeling today? And the child points to the device on a scaling system, so I'm at 7. And then they're asked, and is there a word on the little thing that might describe how you feel? So it might be confused, it might be happy, it might be satisfied, it might be excited, it might be sad, it might be lonely, it might be scared, whatever it says. But the most important thing is that the conversation counts. We're not telling anybody how to fix the problem. We're not telling anybody where to go if they encounter a problem. We're just saying, start the conversation and we'll take it from there. So it's to normalise a conversation about feelings is the real thrust of the programme.